In this video, I'm going to explain on how you're able to get auction access and how to set up your auction access account, and also how to buy vehicles effectively, whether it's on Manheim or Adessa. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I have my dealer license and I go to these wholesale dealer only auctions to source my vehicles. I recently just bought a 2025 Raptor Ford F-150 from a dealer only auction just last week. And again, you'll be able to have the same opportunity to purchase vehicles at a wholesale price from these dealer only auctions. So if you're interested in something like that, go ahead and click the link in my bio. You can go ahead and get started with your dealer license. But again, this is just going to be showing me, or I'm going to be showing you how to navigate these dealer only auctions and how to set up your accounts when it comes to these dealer only auctions. And I'll go step by step, breaking it down completely, thoroughly for you in this next presentation. Auction navigation. And thank you, Cheese is my Instagram. If you're not already following me, go ahead and follow me here. I post daily on there where you'll see more in-depth into my life and the vehicles that I drive and things like that. So again, this is for car dealers, for people who already have their dealer license or are dealer representatives. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, the first thing is when you want to start attending these auctions, you're going to have to set up an auction access account. And this is the entire point of actually even having a dealer license, is by getting this auction access account so you can attend these dealer only auctions. So the first thing you're going to do is go to auctionaccess.com. As you can see, this is the website up here at the top. I have my information blocked out, but my name is right here. And there's two different dealerships that I work with at the moment, as you can see. And this is the homepage pretty much. So the first thing you're going to do is pay for your membership. If you're new to auctionaccess.com, the first thing you have to do is pay $99. This $99 will go to this auction access account. And auctionaccess.com is what allows you to attend these dealer only auctions. What you're going to do is go ahead and upload your dealer license where it says upload document, upload your information, your tax information, EIN, things like that. So you can go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing and the first website, which is why a lot of you guys are probably here, is to go ahead and look at these wholesale dealer only auctions, and Manheim is a perfect place to start. I've actually been buying a good amount of vehicles from Manheim at the moment. As you see, this is the first homepage you'll get. But before you can get into Manheim, you will have to set up an account. So you will call their 1-800 number. I'll go ahead and put that in the description down below. You call that 1-800 number, you can set up an account with them as long as you have auction access and did that previous step prior to this. So boom, as you can see, these are auctions that I've frequented right here. But the one that I want to go to actually isn't listed right here. I do want to do Manheim, Fredericksburg. So on the next slide, you'll see, or Manheim, Pennsylvania, you'll see, boom, this is Manheim, Pennsylvania. They have 6,000 cars running. This is a workbook. This is the cars that you can add to your list to look at. This is for you. They just started this where they're able to look and pick vehicles for you. But as you can see, these are filtered by the highest MMR. I'll go over MMR later. But as you can see, it's the most expensive vehicles priced to the lowest. I like doing it this way because you see a lot of the cleaner vehicles that are priced higher when it comes to MMR. And then, well, I think this slide, I got it backwards. Hold up, we'll go here. So I clicked the red Lamborghini Urus, as you can see, 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante. And there's a couple key things to go ahead and point out right here. As you can see, this vehicle, the seller is guaranteeing that this vehicle won't have any major issues over $800. This is the VIN right here. This is the amount of miles, all-wheel drive, or if it's front-wheel drive or two-wheel drive. The liter size and also engine cylinder size, whether it's gasoline, automatic, or manual, and what kind of gasoline it does take. So boom, or kind of oil it does take. So right here, as you can see, we also have status on the vehicle and MMR price. We'll go into that and shortly. You can see when the end of the sale will actually happen and where the pickup location is at, and then also the seller. This is Ocean Auto Side Center, and then you can enter the sale, right? You can enter the sale without actually the sale running at that particular time. You can enter the sale, you put in a number, and then that way you can go ahead and run it on that sale day. So right now, this vehicle has only one owner, and then you can also see what type of options it has. Sellers like to put this, break down the price numbers and things like that. Stuff doesn't really make a big difference, but to sellers it does. And we scroll down, like I said, we'll go over MMR. MMR is right here, is around $291,000 all the way up to $303,000. And as you can see, this vehicle should be selling for around $297,000 if it only has 5,200 miles. As you can see, the average odometer on this vehicle for this year is around $7,300, and then the base 7,300 miles, and the base MMR on that is $294,000. This is all automated, and as you can see, that beautiful thing about MMR, and MMR, all it means is Manheim market rate, is you're able to go ahead and see the other vehicles that have sold for that same year, that same model, and at what price they have sold. And that's why you get base MMR as we go back to the top, where it's at $294,000. They take the median average, and as you can see, you'll be able to see what these vehicles are selling for within the last 30 days. Let's go over to Adessa. So Adessa is very similar to Manheim, but Adessa you're gonna have to set up as well. You're gonna have to call them, set up an account with them, as long as you have auction access, which was the first step that I went ahead and showed you. So boom, once you go to Adessa Clear, is just Carvana. Carvana bought Adessa Clear maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and now all the cars that get traded into Carvana, they go ahead and get sold at auction. Unless Carvana wants to go take it and go ahead and sell it themselves. There's not as many sellers at Adessa as there used to be. They do have some large accounts, but they've been dwindling down ever since Carvana has been there. But I still purchase vehicles from there because it's my closest auction to me. But if you were to click simulcast right here, as you can see on the screen, you'll be able to see those other sellers other than Carvana where they're selling their vehicles. But let's go ahead and take a look. The one great thing about Adessa is they go very in depth about the vehicle condition. They do a lot better job than Manheim. As you can see right here, they've got a 2022 Range Rover Autobiography 5-liter 8-cylinder motor, and it has 86,000 miles. The current bid is at $44,000. It does have a cosmetic issue, wheels and tires issue, but as you can see, it is drivable. Let's go ahead to the next slide. We have another one. We have a TRX right here. This one has an engine issue, and it'll even tell you the problem with the engine issue itself. And the beautiful thing about this is when you click the engine issue, I think on this one, I went ahead and described the spread. As you can see, wholesale price is around $69,000. They're still trying to sell it for $73,000, and then retail value is $76,000. It gives you a $2,800 spread, but with all the fees, man, that spread is not like that. And then we go right here. It says engine issue, but it's for an aftermarket air duct. This was just a brief presentation. I went ahead and wrapped up everything pretty quick. If you have any questions or you want to learn how you can get your dealer license so you get access to these wholesale dealer auctions the same way I just described to you that I've been purchasing vehicles, then go ahead and lock in with me. I got the first link in the bio. You can also book a call with my team and figure out which package is really the best for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment and we'll go ahead and get this process started.